Hey, Logan here for VacBin, and today we're going to be doing some upholstery cleaning using the attachments on the Hoover Smartwash Pet Complete carpet cleaner. First things first, we need to fill up those tanks, so let's head over to the sink and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, now we're at the sink and it's time to fill up our tanks. We've got 3 tanks to fill up today. The pre-treater wand tank, the concentrated solution tank, and the clean water tank. The really cool thing about the Smartwash is that it will automatically mix the concentrated detergent and the water within the machine, so you don't have to do any of the mixing by yourself. And if you want to rinse the carpets, all you do is just remove the solution tank and then run the Smartwash back and forth over your carpet again, and all that will come out is clean water. So with that, let's fill up the tank. It's extremely easy. We're just going to take the tank, unscrew the lid, and fill it up all the way. I'm using hot water here. You can use cold, lukewarm, warm. Don't use boiling hot water. Don't use an electric kettle. But, you know, as hot as it comes out of the tap, if you want to run it for 30 seconds or so, that'll be just perfect for getting your carpets or upholstery nice and clean. I'll stop this about now and fill up the rest after the video is done. Next we have the solution tank, and for this we're going to be using the Hoover Oxy Permanent Stain Removal Formula. This is extremely simple. Because we are using a Hoover recent machine with a dedicated solution tank, we do not need the measuring cup. Instead, all we do is unscrew this cap here and fill her up. I will add, it is very easy to spill, so be careful, take your time. I just spilled some, but do it over your sink. Don't do this over your floor, because this can stain. This is great on your carpet in limited quantities mixed with water, not very much if you pour it directly on your carpet. I'm going to rinse off any of the soapy suds that I may have spilled on the outside here, and then put this off to the side. And finally, cap this up. Alright, now that we're back from the sink, it's time to get the unit ready for attachment cleaning. There is a small trick to this that I've learned, but first, let's show you the attachment that comes in the box. If you don't buy it through Hoover's As Seen on TV offer, this is the only attachment you get, but it's actually pretty nice. Because this is a pet model, instead of having normal stiff plastic brushes, this has this tool with these little rubber nubs on it. And this is really nice if you have people or pets with longer hair in your house, because you can just run this under the sink, just dunk it in a pool of water and shake it, all that hair comes right off. It's super easy to clean. And this front part, where the suction is, comes right off, nice, big, accessible, super easy to clean. This is awesome for a pet model carpet cleaner. So with that, let's attach the tool to the hose. Take the thin end of the hose, you'll know it because it's got the little grip on it, and just slide it on until they click. Alright, and now it's time for the trick with this machine. I had the hardest time getting the attachments to go on at first, and I thought my machine was broken, until I realized that all you have to do is tilt it back slightly. If you just press the handle release and tilt it back slightly, it is much easier for the hose to lock into the machine. I don't know if that's a problem with my unit or if this is a problem with the model itself, but if you're having trouble getting your hose to click and lock, and it needs to have a loud click when it locks in, otherwise the hose will not work properly, try tilting your machine back slightly. So I'm just going to use my leg to hold this. You're going to slide down this little flap on the front, and you're going to push forward until it clicks. And now you heard that click. As you can see, you can wiggle it, it will come out, but once you get that clicked in there, that is all set to go. Alright, now we can lean it back up. I'm going to grab a couch cushion so that we can demonstrate this, and let's do some attachment cleaning. Alright, we are all set now. The machine is plugged in. As I showed you, the hose is locked in place, tool is locked on, And I grabbed a couch cushion to demonstrate some cleaning on it. I don't expect the water to be super dirty, but let's see what comes out. So I'm going to do this from a little zoomed out view, and then I will zoom in so you can see what happens as we get up close with the couch cushion. First things first, we're going to turn this on, and it's going to get very loud, so I will talk to you once I'm done cleaning about half this cushion. As you can see, I was able to pull some surprisingly dirty water out of that couch cushion, which I had just cleaned pretty recently, so I'm kind of surprised by that. As you can see, proof is in the output dirty water here. Put that back in. And now, final thing I want to show you before I let y'all go is how easy it is to clean this tool. Unsnap it. So now, like I said, the bottom, these little purple nubs, all you gotta do, dunk it in some water, rinse it under the sink, you're good to go. As for the front part here, as you can see, it's got all sorts of soap and suds and whatever else gooky that was in my couch. There's a little flap here. Pull it up, rinse, wipe it off with a paper towel, and you are good to go. Once again, the hose and the tool comes in this little mesh bag. And the nice thing is the bottom part is mesh, like I said, so you can take all the stuff after you've rinsed it out, just leave it in your bathroom for a day or two. It's got this nice little hook on it too. And it will drip out, it will dry over time. And then after that, your tools are all set and ready to go. You can put them away until whenever you got another mess. This has been Logan here with VacBin. Thanks for watching.